Have you planned a Disney trip for the months April, May or June? Definitely keep in mind these things. Hi, my name is Marike and you are watching Magical Vacation Guide. Behind the camera is Mark. Hi Mark. We are Disneyland Paris fans. We eat, breathe and sleep Disney. And we love to give advice, so why not combine that? So if you appreciate our advice, definitely subscribe to our channel and give us a like to support our channel. It is completely free and you would make our day. So in this video we are going to talk about what you can expect when you're going to Disneyland Paris in the months of April, May and June, because there are a lot of things that are changing and happening. Are you staying in the Marvel hotels in the months of April, May or June? Look at you! You are the first one to be able to open your room with your phone. The only thing that you have to do is to connect your stay onto your Disneyland Paris app, and it's only at the Marvel hotel. So we don't know whether it will be implemented in other hotels, but I think that if this is a successful test or a successful pilot, then it probably definitely will. And do you want to be updated about this news? Definitely subscribe to our channel. Do you want to take attractions until the very last moment of the day and still be in front of the castle with the fireworks? That is possible from March 28th. For 19 euros you can buy that first place on not only the fireworks show but also the parades, Disney Stars on Parade. It will cost you 19 euros per person though. So you have to keep that in mind, but you will be the first one to see it and to make the best photos and videos. When you are going to Disneyland Paris in, well, the couple of months and the months after, you will be able to taste two amazing snacks. In Frontierland you always had like this adaptable snack cart where you can get coffee and some cookies, but they have made it a permanent place where you now can get turkey legs and churros. So churros were already available at the Coco restaurant, also in Frontierland, and the turkey leg was available during the 30th anniversary and I don't know, it's in Frontierland in the
Last Chance Cafe.
In the Last Chance Cafe, but now it has a permanent spot. So churros, different prices. We have made a video about it and all the prices, so you know what you can expect. So I'm really eager to try those churros. Disney Star Tours is always changing and new updates are coming to Disneyland Paris on April 5th. They are implementing new scenes from the newest series that can be viewed on Disney Plus, from The Mandalorian and Action, and it's going to happen on April 5th, so that's really soon. When you're walking down Main Street, you'll probably notice all these big renovations around Casey's Corner. That is because Casey's Corner is getting a little roof, a canopy, a Victorian themed as one. They are right now they are building it, but don't worry, Casey's Corner will still be open to get your hot dogs, and the place where you can sit inside of the arcade will still be open, but the terrace option will not. Have you recently been to Disneyland Paris and noticed that Pirates of the Caribbean was in complete renovation? Now the renovation is completed and it got its Premier Access point. So Premier Access, we have made a whole video about it. If you don't know what it is, definitely check that out. But it's actually you buy your ticket to skip the line for that attraction. Yes, so definitely check that video out. But that is just a recent opening. With the opening of Rosalie restaurant, we are going to the next phase of the renovation of Disney Village. It is a huge undertaking to renovate Disney Village and to update it. So Planet Hollywood will be no more in just a couple of months, because we have seen it. They are just destroying the whole building. There is also a lot of gates there with a lot of renovations. And when you think that you cannot go into World of Disney because we have seen a lot of those you can, the shops, all the shops and all the restaurants are still open in Q2. But maybe that will change in Q3 because Disney Village is going really fast with renovations. With the new season, Symphony of Color, all these things are happening. We have a drone show, we have a new hub show, we have new decorations. But we also will be getting an interactive Alice in Wonderland show that will take place in Walt Disney Studios. But there's not a lot of not even a date. It's only known that it's gonna happen in the spring of 2024. But when is that? That could be June, that could be April. But first concept art is known and we're gonna show it to you right now. It looks really mysterious and I'm really curious to find out what that interactive element of that show will be. Definitely follow us along. Also follow us on socials because we will be sharing news. Speaking of renovations, Disneyland Park and Walt Disney Studios Park also have a lot of renovations. So when you're visiting Q2 in Disneyland Paris, definitely keep in mind that these attractions are closed and open up. The first attraction to open up again in Q2 is Mickey's PhilharMagic. It is planned to open on the 9th of April. And then you have also two attractions in Fantasyland, which is Le Pays des Contes de Fées and Casey's Junior Train, which are both closed on the 11th of March and will open again on the 31st of July. So they will be closed the entire time in Q2. But with the boat ride, which is La Pays des Contes de Fées, we get two new scenes. The Thunder Mesa Riverboat Landing will be closed for a good month on the 2nd of April until the 3rd of May. Hyperspace Mountain, unfortunately, will also close, but luckily for only 4 days. So it will be closed on the 13th of May until the 17th. You cannot meet Mickey Mouse from the 27th until the 31st of May, so it will be closed down for 4 days as well. Pirates of the Caribbean will be closed for a little bit longer, for almost 3 weeks, from the 3rd of June until the 21st. Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast and Alice's Curious Labyrinth will both be closed from the 24th of June, but there has not been announced a reopening, so I hope they won't stay closed for a very long time. Because in Walt Disney Studios Park you have Flying Carpets of Agrabah, which was closed from the January 8th, and it's still no reopening announced. Toy Soldiers Parachute Drop will be closed from 13th of May until the 28th of June, so no peekaboo for the new Frozen Lands. The shows that will be closing down in Q2 in the Disneyland Park, luckily no closures of shows, but in the Walt Disney Studios Park, Disney Junior Dream Factory is closed right now at the beginning of Q2, but will reopen again on the April 6th. Together, Pixar Musical Adventure will be closed on the 11th and 12th of April, so also on the 32nd birthday of Disneyland Paris. When you're visiting Disneyland Paris in the months of April, May and June, this is what you can expect. So Disneyland Paris has no surprises for you. So if you like this video and this advice, we definitely make more videos like this. So subscribe to our channel. It is free and it's just a little appreciation to show that you support our channel, and thank you so much for it. I hope you have a Disneyland Paris trip planned very soon, and we wish you a magical day from wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.